pleasant good day to all your wonderful subscribers, families, friends, viewers, everybody, and all who just tune into the channel. Welcome to Great Amaziyah. This is Amaziyah the Great. I'm going to give you the latest coronavirus news update. At day 132, number of cases, we have 790. Number of deaths, 10. Recoveries, 693. Imported cases, 265. Contact of confirmed case, 241. Local cases linked to Alarica, 236. Other cases, 44. And 4 under investigation. And that was the latest since Sunday, July 19, 2020. Don't go nowhere. I'm going to give some more coronavirus update. Tell them precisely.
Come on, cool, yeah. Watch it dry cough. Corona upon the gong and in the ear like night talk. Before you touch your face, dirty and beg you go wash it off.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett has cautioned that a ban on travelers from the United States in a bid to contain COVID-19 would deliver a death blow to Jamaica's hospitality industry. His warning comes in the wake of the Bahamas announcing on Sunday that it was ordering an immediate lockdown of travelers from America as coronavirus cases there surged the world's record levels with nearly 80,000 new infected daily. Florida is one of the major sources of market for Jamaica's travel sector, both with national and non-nationals, with the US state nicknamed Kingston 21 because of its high expatriate density. Jamaica had already flagged Florida, along with Texas, New York, and Arizona as COVID-19 hotspots, but the Sunshine State has moved into territory of its own with more than 10,000 daily infections. Global cases of top 14 million and deaths are nearly 600,000? Bartlett believes that Jamaica will have to weigh carefully the implications of total ban on the US. It would die. We would have to close the industry, Bartlett told the Gleaner on Sunday evening. Right now, all of the visitors who come to Jamaica in the first phase are from the US. This week would be the first flight coming in from the UK. If we should put a ban on US, the effect would be to shut down the industry. Jamaica recorded 75 coronavirus cases between June 21 and July 8, with the majority being imported from the United States. That statistics, however, comes against the backdrop of a reported 10,000 samples backlog, which means that the country does not have a precise handle on how many cases really exist here. It also complicates the process of contact tracing, which might be triggered days, if not weeks, after infections take hold. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton said on Sunday evening that there could be no lockouts of flights until Cabinet mulled over that decision. Right now, we have the system in place to do surveillance and screening, but certainly, with open up does comes risk, and those risks are real, and some of those risks are totally out of our control. From a public health standpoint, with every decision there's a risk, and we have to mitigate against the risk. It has to be recognized that we have seen an increase in cases over the period because we have relaxed some of the restrictions. But the truth is, it was expected, Tufton said. Bahamas Prime Minister Dr. Hubert Minnis announced on Sunday that the country's COVID-19 status had deteriorated at an exponential rate since the reopening of its borders. He said that effective midnight, July 22nd, he would ban all international flights except for those coming in from Canada, the United Kingdom, and other European countries. Bahamas here will also cease flights to the US. As at July 19, Bahamas Ministry of Health confirmed 50 new cases of COVID-19, moving the total number to 153. According to the Northern Caribbean Country Surveillance Unit, there have been 49 new cases since the full reopening of borders on July 1st. Just like me already mentioned in the intro before, the COVID-19 cases in Jamaica total up to 790, following 16 positive results on Sunday. 14 of those cases are imported, all linked to flights from the United States of America. The other 2 were in relation to imported cases. Bartlett was upbeat about the country's testing protocols, despite complaints by the healthcare personnel that the system was on the verge of buckling because of insufficient manpower to evaluate travelers. He believes that resilient corridor, which stretches along both northern and southern coastlines, will keep the new coronavirus in check. If there is going to be any spike, it is going to be within the corridor, and we will be able to cauterize and deal with that, Bartlett said. Tufton too backed that claim, but admit that the healthcare mechanisms to verify movement could not keep up with the influx of travelers. If people stick to the protocols, we can minimize exposure. That's really where the challenge is when people are sent home. We have over 18,000 at home. Are they staying? Are they going out? We are monitoring, but it's harder to monitor the more people there are, the health minister said. So as it relates to COVID-19 cases in Jamaica, that's that. Let me go international and tell you what go on with Netflix. Netflix added a flood of new subscribers amid the coronavirus pandemic. The company picked up 10.1 million worldwide subscribers during the April to June period, more than triple what it usually adds in that period. In Cayman, the government of Cayman Island will reopen its border to international travel starting September 1st. Deputy Premier and Tourism Minister Moses Kirkconnell, who made the announcement on Friday that the reopen will come in phases. That's all the news information I have for you. Thanks for tuning in to Great Amaziyah. Yo, Mark Ross, come go and blaze a fire. Tell them precisely.
Burn the fire with me, and make the youth them get the healing. I know the truth is revealing.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah, the great collections. We have whole heap of merchandise are going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah, the great collection on IG, and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah, the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.